Welcome to the Explainer. Look, it's a wild world out there in the crypto space. It is absolutely filled with incredible innovation, but let's be real, it's also packed with unprecedented risk. So our goal today is actually pretty simple. We're going to make sure you have the exact jargon-free tools you need to stay safe, stay sharp, and keep your hard-earned assets exactly where they belong, in your own wallet. $21 billion. Let that sink in for a second. That is exactly how much money was stolen by crypto scammers in just the first half of 2025 alone. I mean, that is not a typo. That's billion with a B. It's a genuinely terrifying reality to face, but hey, we're going to make sure you absolutely aren't part of that statistic. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the highly organized threat briefing we are about to march through to make you immune to these tricks. We'll start with the $21 billion trap, move into false urgency and greed, decode the hype, hiding, and manipulation, reveal the ultimate crypto traps, walk through damage control and verification, and finally, we'll finish up with your ultimate defense. Part 1, the $21 billion trap. Recognizing the universal threat. Now, I really want to reassure you right away, despite those massive financial losses globally, the good news is almost all of these scams, they follow highly predictable patterns. Seriously, scammers rely on a proven playbook, and once you know the red flags, you become very hard to trick. We're going to go over a 7-point checklist today. Just think of these upcoming 7 rules as a concrete shield you can use to confidently navigate the entire crypto space. Section 2, False Urgency and Greed. Rules number 1 and 2. You know, before a scammer can steal a single dime of your money, they kind of have to hack your psychology first. They specifically target your fear of missing out and, let's be honest, your desire for profit. So here is red flag number 1, guaranteed returns. Crypto is notoriously volatile. Prices constantly swing up and down, so I need you to remember that absolutely no one, not the CEO of Binance, not Elon Musk, and definitely not your cousin's friend's trading guru, can guarantee you profits in a volatile market like this. When you're scrolling online and you see quotes that say things like, risk-free 10% daily, our AI bot never loses, or double your money in a week, you literally need to run. These are some of the most ancient lies in the book. Legitimate investments always carry risk. Always. If you really want to test a scammer when you see these wild claims, just ask them to sign a legal contract to personally repay any of your losses. Watch how fast they disappear. Moving right along to red flag number 2, artificial urgency. Notice those flashing countdown timers, the big red last chance banners? Scammers use these tools to rush you. They are purposely trying to override your brain's logic center with panic so that you just don't take a breath to ask vital questions. You'll constantly see things like only 10 spots left or claim before midnight or lose it forever. Well, here is your golden rule for this flag. Anyone demanding that you act now is ultimately just demanding that you skip your due diligence. Legitimate projects just don't need to pressure you. Trust me, they will still be there tomorrow, next week, and next month. Let's move to section 3 and see how this builds. Hype, hiding, and manipulation. Rules 3, 4, and 5. Let's shift our focus from how scammers trick your emotions to how they actively hunt you down. Red flag number 3 is the dreaded unsolicited support DM. Picture this. You're just minding your own business, scrolling your feed, and suddenly you get a direct message on Twitter, Discord, or Telegram. It says, your wallet is deactivated, or suspicious activity detected, or you want an exclusive airdrop. Guys, these are phishing attacks. If you click these links, they take you to a fake website that looks absolutely perfect, but the moment you type your details in, it will instantly drain your wallet. Real support will never just slide into your DMs. Next up is red flag number 4, which involves becoming what is known in the industry as exit liquidity. This happens in pump and dump groups. You'll get added to a private Telegram channel, maybe called something super enticing like Crypto Whales Signal. The admins tell everyone to buy a specific cheap coin right now. Everyone buys, the price pumps, and then the admins and their friends immediately sell their massive bags right into that buying pressure. The price completely crashes, they take the profits, and you are left holding worthless tokens as their exit liquidity. Any group coordinating buying times is a scam, period. And this brilliantly illustrates red flag number 5. It's all hype, no substance. See, legitimate projects are actually grounded in reality. They talk about security audits, clear technical roadmaps, and they have publicly named teams with real verifiable LinkedIn profiles. Scam projects, they are all about dream-selling vagueness. They use rocket emojis, promise to be the next 100x gem, they have no white paper, and they rely purely on hype to get you to buy in. If a project is selling you dreams instead of explaining their technology, just walk away. Section 4. The Ultimate Crypto Traps. Rules 6 and 7. Now, I really need to warn you directly. We are entering the deadliest territory right now. The traps we've talked about so far, they're dangerous, for sure. But the ones in this section will completely bypass all of your other security measures if you fall for them. Red flag number 6 is, without a doubt, the biggest one of all, seed phrase demands. You might see a pop-up saying, enter your seed phrase to claim airdrop, or we need your private key to sync your wallet, or verify your wallet by pasting your seed phrase here. Let me firmly state this. No legitimate wallet, exchange, or support agent will ever ask for your private key. Whoever possesses your seed phrase completely controls your money. You must follow this strict physical action to the absolute letter. Write your seed phrase on a piece of physical paper. Store it safely offline in a drawer or a literal safe. Never type it into any website, even when it looks totally real. If you find yourself typing those 12 or 24 words onto your keyboard online, stop immediately, block the site, and report it. Okay, red flag number 7 involves those too good to be true airdrops. You'll see offers online claiming, hey, we're giving away tokens. Send 0.1 ETH to receive 10 ETH back for gas fees. It is a trap. Real airdrops never ever ask you for upfront money. Oh, and additionally, if you randomly receive tiny amounts of unknown crypto in your wallet, what we call dust attacks, just ignore them. Don't interact with them, don't try to swap them, don't approve them, just hide them. Section 5. Damage control and verification. Protecting your assets. All right, we've identified the main threats, so let's pivot from the problem to actionable solutions. This is all about equipping you with the right tools to verify projects before you invest and knowing exactly how to react if a breach does happen. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how simple these 3 rapid-fire checks are to run before you put any money on the line. First, look for smart contract audits from reputable security firms like Certic or Hacken. Second, do a simple Google search for the project's name alongside the word scam to see if people are already warning others about it. And third, for you slightly more advanced users, check Etherscan to ensure their smart contracts are actually verified. But listen, what if the worst actually happens? If you realize you've been tricked, take a deep breath, do not panic. Just systematically follow these 4 steps. First, immediately revoke contract permissions using a trusted tool like revoke.cash. Second, move whatever remaining funds you have to a brand new, completely clean wallet right away. Third, report the incident to the FTC and the social platform where it happened. And finally, warn others on Reddit or Twitter. You might literally save someone else from making the exact same mistake. Section 6. Your ultimate defense. The 60-second rule. This is the final overarching concept that ties this entire threat briefing together and absolutely defeats the scammer's very best weapons. So the crucial point is right here, the 60-second pause. Scammers rely on rushing you, exciting you, or scaring you. Before you click a link, before you approve a transaction or share a key, just pause for 1 full minute. Taking a single deep breath to step back, Google the project, or ask a friend for a second opinion would have prevented 99% of last year's massive $21 billion in losses. Just pause. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question to really think about, and I genuinely want to hear from you. Have you ever seen a crypto scam out in the wild? What happened? Drop your stories in the comments. Sharing your experiences is how we all learn to identify these tricks and outsmart these scammers together. Stay sharp out there, and I will see you on the next explainer.